Hi friends, welcome. We'll try to use NotebookLM as our teacher or instructor which will teach us about a library on Python. So this time we'll be using Python Pandas. So this is a data analytics library and we'll provide some 5 best resources to the NotebookLM, and using that we'll ask various questions and we will ask NotebookLM to explain to us various functions and uses of the same, and that way we'll learn more about Python Pandas. So before we move, my request is please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you'll be notified as and when we add tutorials, and we are adding such informative videos regularly. Let's move with our NotebookLM. Gone to our NotebookLM, created a new one, so create new. Fine, first okay, it wants me to give a resource first. So website, I am giving the first resource, that official website of Pandas. That is what I have given, first one. Let me change the meanwhile the name of it. So I'll write it Python Pandas class. I am writing class, so it's like a classroom session for me. So you can write it whatever you want. Let me just okay, fine, it's probably reading that resources. Now let's go add one more. I decided not to go for many other sources, and I will just add the PDF part of it because this is the website, the sublinks it may not able to follow. So I am just giving it a PDF doc. This is the link available for the documentation that I have added it. So it takes some time. Fine, it has added to the sources. So this is the manual. So mostly when I will be asking about some functions and methods, it will able to correctly able to pick up from here. So let us continue and start our learning session. For your reference, this is the PDF file which I will be using it. This is around 3743 pages. I am not going to read it. NotebookLM is going to read it and explain to me. Let's start by typing. Give me a short introduction to Pandas and let me know why we should learn Pandas. That's all. First, to begin with. Okay, it will take some time to explain me that. So I will be reading. Okay, fine. It has given me Pandas is the open source BSD license library that provide high performance. Okay, fine. So what I am going to do here is, now let me just come to the audio overview. Customize. Here I am saying focus on introduction Pandas only, and tell me why I should know or learn library. Explain me in 5 minutes. Okay, fine. Let's generate this one. So it will take some time. The audio overview here, you can see it is 11:51 minute, 11 minute 51 seconds. So it's a bit long. Let's see what it is inside and we'll pick up some highlights of it.
Some cool things. So first things first, what is Pandas and why should we care?
Well, Pandas is a Python library specifically for data analysis and manipulation. It's kind of the tool for anyone doing real-world data work in Python, and aims to be, well, their words, the most powerful and flexible open-source data analysis manipulation tool available in any language. Ambitious.
Powerful and flexible, huh? Can you make that a little more concrete? Like, is it like a souped-up spreadsheet or what?
That's actually a pretty good way to think about it. You work with data in a structured way, kind of like you would in a spreadsheet or a SQL table.
That's good. A good introduction it is giving. So let's see what are the other things, or can I ask a question?
And so use the right tool for the job. But it's a great tool to know.
Definitely. Learn. Oh yeah, let's hear it.
Can after processing the data, can I store the output in a database?
Absolutely. That's a really important part of the data workflow.
Yeah, it's not just about processing and graphing, right? You got to store it for later.
What's fascinating here is that Pandas has built-in functions to write data to a SQL database.
Okay, let's unpack this. So you can actually save your process data in a database.
Exactly. Pandas has a function called Toscale that does just that, and it can automatically handle the data types for you.
Here's where it gets really interesting. So after all that data cleaning and analyzing, you can easily store the results.
That's friends, I can in between stop it and ask my questions, the expecting a what is there in the documentation and all these answers, and it gives the perfect answer. Also I can process the data and store it in my desired database, not only database in SQL, CSV format, anything I want, XML, anything I want, and it gives the correct answer and further continues after that also. Like this, more and more such interactions will see in future also. We'll be exploring it, how we can better use it. We'll give small task also to the NotebookLM to solve it for us. Let's see whether it is just is a language model. So I hope it can definitely able to solve it. That's all friends. Hope you have a good learning experience, and we'll be generating such informative videos for you in the future. And that is why our request is please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you'll be notified as and when we are tutorials, and we are frequently adding that also. Please share this with your friends, and thank you for watching.